Well, let me tell you, true friends, great friends, will rehearse it 100 times in their head, because what they're going to serve up is such a hard truth that they also stand to lose you as a great friend. So what they're going to do is rehearse it and rehearse it and rehearse it until it's perfect. And you're going to hear it in their voice, the sincerity, the delivery, the empathy, and the love. And you won't be able to mistake it. It's the kind of love that sets you straight, and with a tear in your fucking eye, you will embrace that brother. Hard truths served up eloquently and garnished